Yeah, it's a good setup here, and I think it's a very good initiative by Ford to implement this driving skills course, which will teach some of the younger players how to drive safely, hopefully. But a few of the older guys are having a bit of a crack today, and certainly enjoying it at the moment. It's a very good initiative. I think Ford have obviously spent a bit of time and thought about how they could best benefit the players, and this initiative to teach the young players how to drive safely is a very smart one. We're certainly learning a few things at the moment about ABS and how to control the car when skidding and trying to steer when skidding at the same time. So we're only here for a short time, but the younger guys will get a more comprehensive learning day in, and I think they'll come away as better drivers.
What about your driving? Do you think you're in any need of this practice?
Certainly been in a few situations on the road where I would have liked it. I think the cars these days, the modern cars these days, such as the Fords that we're driving here, are very safety conscious and have all the trimmings with ABS and stuff like that make it very safe.